tinkerer here. And I got a new F350 turbo diesel 2001. Blower's gone out. Gonna replace that. You can see here, got to remove this out of the way right here so we can pull this blower out. So what I've done is taken the screw that's right here. You can see, take that out. There's one more screw back here. And then I've already unplugged the electrical going to everything. And then after I remove this piece out of the way, we're going to then take these 3 screws out, and it just yanks out. As you can see, I pushed this out of the way. I've taken this screw out. See, I'm taking this screw out. That leaves us one more screw right there. Now that I've got it unbolted, it just comes right out. Here you go, the new blower motor from OReillys. You can see here, we're gonna have to reuse this piece. We're gonna take this off, put it on here, and then put it back in that hole. There you go. After I put it back in, put the screws, this goes back to where it was, and now go back and put everything back where you disconnected. And put these screws back in and tighten it all up, be ready to go.